Welcome to Consciousness Empowerment. This video is going to be on mirror work. So this day I was actually reading all day, but I didn't really catch anything that inspired me to be on here until the last hour okay, of the day. It's around 10:30 here in California. And I was asking myself, what's something that I can show or explain to you that's going to help you? And mirror work, okay? I was actually working on an online website that I was creating. And because it's so boring, I just put on a motivational video or I don't want to say motivational, a video that's on the mind, on consciousness and manifestation. And so I put on the book called The Power of Believing by Claude Bristol. Don't quote me on that. It could be something else. It could be something a little slightly different. If I recall, I'll put it in the bottom, in the description box. Now, in that book, Claude Bristol talks about mirror work. There's a story where a wealthy man who he was associated with had a dinner, but before dinner they were drinking, and he helped the guy up to his room because he had asked him, "Hey, help me back up to my room. I need to go up there and sober up." So he took him, and he didn't go back downstairs. Once he took him to his room, he stayed back and watched. And this man, he looked himself in the mirror and he said, "You are sober." Talking to himself, looking himself straight into the eye and saying, "You are dead sober." And he said it over and over again until he himself, his body changed, even his body posture changed. He watched this happening in real time. And he sobered up. And this is where he saw the power, right, of belief in real time. But what I want you to take away from this is the avenue. There's different avenues to become or get what you want in life, but it all comes from the mind. If you have a limiting belief that's blocking you, you're not going to get it. You need to have the belief. And sometimes it takes repetition over and over and over and over and over and over again. Now, when you do this, you'll have to say the affirmation, right? I am X. In present terms, I am wealthy, or I am confident. Whatever attribute you're trying to create in yourself, until you feel it, until you yourself, your body changes, your movement changes. Just like the guy who was drunk and sobered himself up. Do this. It's helped me with sales. It's helped me with manifesting things into my life. I think there was. Now this is going deep, because I'm gonna show you my results. Okay, I have about 1 minute left. When sales, I said I will bring in this amount of money in today. Boom, it happened. It didn't necessarily happen that same day, but a few days later it happened. But I will always leave with the feeling of it. And I would say other things like, I'm a great businessman, I'm a great salesperson. I got a sale today. All in present tense, I got a sale, and I would feel it. Number 2, I would say, I am now married to my soulmate. Something to that effect. I am married to my soulmate, right? And now I am feeling so much love in my heart, like it's coming out. Like when you have a cup full of water and it's overflowing, the term "my cup overfloweth" came to mind. Okay, and I am now asking questions about marriage. What's the purpose of marriage, etc., etc., and like attracting all these things to my life. So do this, and it will change your life. Mirror work. Apply it. Let me know what happens in the comments below.